Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate actions. Make sure Windows is updated and you're signed in as an administrator so fixes can apply system-wide. Once done, run the built-in Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. It often detects service or permission issues and displays error codes you'll use later. If the troubleshooter suggests a repair, allow it. While it runs, note any process names or codes so you can target the next steps precisely and avoid repeating blind attempts. Now you'll repair core components that commonly cause crashes. First, reset the store from settings or run WS reset. EXE, that clears the cache immediately. Next, re-register the store using PowerShell with administrator rights, getapps package and addapps package commands restore missing app registration. After that, run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage to repair the Windows image. Make sure each command completes without errors before moving on to isolation. Finish by isolating profile or interference problems and applying a fallback. Create a new local administrator account and test the store there. If it works, your original profile is the issue. Then perform a clean boot and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to rule out conflicts. If the store still closes, reinstall the app or perform an in-place upgrade of Windows to repair broken components without losing files. If nothing helps, one key troubleshooting tip. Capture the Event Viewer application log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.